Greetings, my name is Daniela Ayda. I'm from the Social and Politics faculty. Today I will be presenting about my past experiences. Okay, so when I was 13 years old, I was invited from my school to join a student exchange activity. I went to Singapore for a school trip. The school were doing student exchange programs at that time. 1 week before that, I was swimming with my cousins in a sport club. While I was swimming, I accidentally stepped on the broken tile that day. When I got out the pool, blood were pouring out my big toe. It was horrible. I was in a lot of pain, and I quickly called my sister, and my sister rushed me to the emergency room at the hospital. I was treated by the doctor at that time. The doctor were using alcohol. The doctors were using alcohol for the wound. I was screaming so loud at the emergency room because I was in a lot of pain. The burning sensation was too much and overwhelming, and I healed after that. After I was healed, I went back home and rested so I can go on the school trip even though I have to go about my day with my injured toe. I went on my trip like it's no problem. And that's all for the past experience part. Thank you so much.